Plumbers don't want you to know this. When your toilet gets clogged, don't use hot water to dissolve the blockage. You also don't need to buy a plunger that often fails to clear the clog. Today, I'll show you the best method. It's very simple and only requires a trash bag. Here's what to do. Use a regular 60-liter trash bag. Wrap it tightly around the toilet bowl. Once done, lower the toilet seat. The seat should be dry to ensure the bag sticks well. Make sure the bag is stretched properly under the seat with no air getting underneath. It should be tight enough to create a slight springy effect. To further secure the bag, sit on the toilet seat. Now you can try flushing the toilet. If the bag is properly sealed, pressure will build up. The bag will work to clear the blockage. Flush several times if the water tank allows. This should solve the problem without needing to plunge the pipes. You'll be surprised when your toilet is clear again. This trash bag trick will help you avoid unpleasant surprises in the bathroom. It's surprisingly effective if done correctly.